নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকের এপিসোড অন সিল্ক অর্গ্যানজা, তার উপর নানান রকম থ্রেড ওয়ার্ক দেখাবো, এমব্রয়ডারি এবং নানান রকম নতুন যেই ধরনের কাজ হয়ে এসছে ওভার দ্য প্রিভিয়াস উইকস সেগুলো আজকে আমি দেখাবো। আশা করি ভালো লাগবে, কারণ এগুলো সমস্ত নতুনত্ব কাজ আজকে দেখাবো। সিল্ক অর্গ্যানজা বা আপনারা বলতে পারেন কোরা অলসো। দ্য ফার্স্ট প্রোডাক্ট অফ 196th এপিসোড ইজ কোরা চিকেন কারি। Very pretty color in baby pink, pastel shade, very light baby pink color with all over chicken work. These are all machine embroidery. I had shown similar type before, but that had floral border. This time I've done totally geometric multicolor border and a broader pallu in geometric. 8990, product number 1, 196th episode, silk organza chicken work, all over embroidery in soft baby pink color, and it will have a blouse piece which is in baby pink color, solid color blouse piece. So this is the actual color of the sari. This is the blouse piece with this. Beautiful work, and it's all over. Product number 2, I have a off-white in the same concept. This is off-white color, same price 8990, product number 2. And you know, we all love these kind of self work, chicken work in off-white. Off-white looks very pretty. It's a very light ivory off-white color. See, all over thread work, and this too has a off-white cotton silk blouse piece to go matching with this. Preferably you can wear a pink color also if you are not comfortable with this. Is chinon fabric, off-white color chinon. You can go for a baby pink if you want, but I think the sari blouse will look nice because it will really, you know, the color will enhance this base color. It will look very pretty. Off-white with off-white blouse will look nice, and the work will stand out also. So preferably make a crop top kind of a blouse like what I am wearing. This really looks nice with koras, closed necks and little bit longer length. Also sleeveless, you can go for halters and sleevelesses also. This is in a sky blue color, beautiful sky blue, again all over thread work. This is the actual color of the sari, it's sky blue. All over work, 8990, and these are all pure organzas. These are not blended ones, pure organza, 8990. That's the reason it has a very good fall, and it's easy to maintain also. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful sari. Now coming to totally designer pieces with fully bead work. It's a very uncommon shade of peach color with bead work, all over bead work and scallop embroidery. The scalloping embroidery in the border. Very soothing. It's a beautiful shade and a beautiful concept sari, 11,500, product number 4. with kind of Kashmiri work, and see the such neat finish in the border, and all over will have self pearl work. Can you see the pearl? This is stitched, this is not attached with glue. These are all thread work, it's attached by needle work. So this is product number 4. It's a designer piece and it's a very uncommon piece, and see the blouse piece. The blouse piece is full of these pearl embroidery in the same light peach color. Sleeves, the back, everything there will be pearl work, just like the body. Beautiful shade of light peach color. 11,500. 11,500, and closely see the embroidery in the border part. There is a corner buta also. These are very, sober and very classy also. I have a lemon in this. So 2 color in the same concept, lemon and peach. This too will have the beadwork blouse piece. Organzas are sheer fabric of silk, if it's pure, of course, like what I'm showing you today is all pure. So these are all sheer fabric in silk, and the richness comes, the embroidery really stands out because of its sheer quality. And you can really, this is very much last 1 year, this is very much in fashion, and it will be in fashion for the next few years also, because we have got very good response with organzas. That's why we are working in multiple designs, doing multiple concepts in this fabric also. Even in you've seen our Kora Banarasis also. It really looks nice, This is the blouse piece. It's in silk chanderi blouse piece, and this is the sari. It's fully thread work border, and see the lower part is a very smart design. This is the lower border with tulip embroidery, just like a beautiful garden. It's a sea green color. This is the sari. This is the single sari. That was, I was holding a 2 part, and this is the single part, so you can understand this way. This is product number 6, 7,900 only, 7990, 7900, right? I think 7900, and this is the pallu part. So this is a pink in that. All comes with blouse piece. Beautiful shade of pink color. It has a nice, very narrow crochet lace. And this is the work, closely see. One side broader work, the other side will have a floral sleek work. All over will have polka self embroidery, and this is the pallu. And below is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this, and this is the pallu. Same price, 7,900. Product number 7, 7900. Lovely shade of pink, strawberry pink color. Now coming to a bit more party wear concept. This is light pista color. Light pista, and this is absolutely a stunning sari because it has lot of katdana work, scalloping work, embroidery work in chicken and also in resham threads with stone setting to give it a bling, to give it a party wear look. Now see, this is a gorgeous sari. See the pearl work. I'll closely show you the work. It's a very interesting embroidery, hand embroidery. These pearls and these center sequins, the pearl work, the kardana, all done by hand. All these are hand work. The center part is in machine work. This is the pallu, 14,500 in light pista color, 14,500, and this is the actual work. See, the upper part is also rich, the lower part is also rich, the body is also throughout thread work and with little stone highlights in between the flowers. Can you see the stone highlights? See the stone setting, the work in between the flowers. These are gorgeous sari, gorgeous, all party wear look and ideal for mehendi, and also if you have any formal ceremony in the house, anniversary, any age can wear this. A beautiful shade also, and yes, it has a very interesting blouse with all over thread work. It is an all over embroidered blouse piece with stone setting, absolutely rich blouse. It's a very rich sari. See the work, the fall and the concept. Beautiful piece. Now I'll show you colors in this. Is it clear? Is this good enough? Can you see this? Now coming to a very light mauvish pink color. Another very unusual color combination. Very uncommon color combination. Here comes the work all over. This is the border and this is the all over jal embroidery. Here is a lovely work through same work, but the color is, it's a very peachish pink color. It's a very uncommon color actually, very difficult. Once I show you the blouse, you can understand the exact color. It's a dusty rose pink color actually, very uncommon. And these are all English tones and these look excellent in in fact these colors really look nice in chiffons, georgettes and these koras. Koras, these pastels just stand out like a dream. And I'll show you, as I said, I'll show you the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, a dusty rose pink color. Here, this is the blouse piece work. So make the blouse with this, with bigger sleeve. Beautiful work, and see the sari. Very unusual. This is the second color in this design, same price, and the third color, another stunning color. I'm sure you will love this color. This is a beautiful lemon shade, lemon color, and again with the same border, kardana cutwork border, chicken border, work in the along the border, along with all over resham thread work all over throughout the sari. So this is the third color in this party wear concept sari. Just take the screenshot of the product with options, preferably kindly WhatsApp to any one of the WhatsApp number that is provided. Once the booking is confirmed, I'll give you the business account bank details. You can make the payment and we will courier it to you. Courier charges are applicable. This is the blouse piece. But the more you buy, the less you pay for courier charges, because the charges depends on the weight and the destination. International shipments we are doing regularly, and again, if you can club in a few more saris and then pay the shipping later, that will be feasible, because the shipping will reduce a lot. This is the lemon color in this. Very pretty color combination. So coming to product number 11, this concept had a very good response in my previous few episodes before. It had an excellent response, so I made a few more colors. I had shown pink, peach, mint and I think lemon. This is a lavender color, light mauve color. Very light mauve color with the border, prominent, bold, bright work in the border. Same price, 8500. This is the blouse piece. This is the silk blouse piece with work. Beautiful shade of lavender color. 8500, silk organza. Now another color in this is the sky color. Nice, na? This color is also very pretty. Again, it has a crepe blouse piece with the work, of course. Here is the border work. So those who had inquired for the previous colors, since those are not available now, so you can check out these colors. These are all new shades that we've done. So same work, same concept, and the price is also the same. This is the color combination. We have 2 branches in Kolkata where you can physically come and see the products also. More collection, more variety, many more other options are also available in store, which is not always possible to show in the YouTube episodes. We have products starting from 1800. So those who are interested can please visit the branch for more options. And then the branch address is 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. It's near the Citizen Park, and we have the other store also, which is near Ballygunge Railway Station. 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, which is near Ballygunge Railway Station. So 2 branches in Kolkata only. This is a light silver grey color. So 3 color options I am giving you more. So this is a silver grey color, and it will come with this blouse piece. Very pretty color combination. This is like a, as I said, Koras look like a dream, especially in pastel shades. This is the blouse piece for this. See the neat work, big, bright, prominent florals. Very light silver ash color, or you can say a Ganga Jal color. Very pretty, uncommon color, and with this light ash, the shades of mauve, pink, peach really looks nice with this touch of mehendi green, pista green. This is the pallu part, and this is the blouse piece. Like to tell another. Now the mannequin is wearing a very pretty color pink. It's a deep pink color with pearl work and scallop. See the work in the border. Closely see the work. I'll show you the work properly. Silk thread all over with handwork in between the flowers. Each pearl is also beautifully attached. This is the back side. This is the border, slightly narrower border, and the lower border will be broader. The price of this is 8500, 8500, and the blouse piece is also in crepe chignon with all over embroidery. So this is the blouse piece which will come all over thread work also. It's just like the border. So the whole blouse is also very gorgeous. So we can make it as a shirt, you can make it with puff sleeves with all over work, and this color is also so beautiful with all over pearl embroidery and the scalloping work along with the border. So 8500. So another shade is a light sky blue color. So this is the second color combination option. Very light sky blue. It's 8500 for the sari, 850, and this sky is not the, it's not Firoza, no, it's a very uncommon powder blue, you can say. Again with pearl all over border and body, scalloping border. Product number 14. Can you see the color? It's actually powder blue, it's not sky blue, it's kind of a powder blue color, and this is the blouse piece. Now you see the blouse piece, full blouse with all over pearl embroidery along with thread work. So this is the blouse piece. Only 8500 with so much work, very rich color combination also, though it's a pastel shade. Number 14. Very light, this is darker pink and this is a peach pink color. Product number 15, 8500 again. This is the actual color combination. Actually I was holding double because today I'm wearing black and the color will not stand out, hence I was just holding it in double layer, but this is the actual color. 8500. Very light. Here you can see the color, actually see the color combination here. 8500. Very pretty work. See the throughout the border, scallop work. And yes, the rich blouse piece, which is the beauty of the sari. This is the blouse piece. Again, few more party wear collection. All over embroidery. Most of you have holidays started, so hope you are enjoying your holidays. Have a good time. Wishing you happy holidays. I don't know when your time, whoever is getting when your holidays are starting, but my best wishes with you. Enjoy with your family, your loved ones, with your friends. This is the sari in peach color. Lovely shade of peach with all over work, and see this work, it has zari in between definitely, but see the paisley work. I would like to show you the paisley work. It seems as if it's French knot. It seems as if the work is done in pearls, beads and French knot. It's a beautiful embroidery, but it's not pearl or beads or French knots. This is just embroidery, but the concept is such that it looks so neat and pretty with the crochet border. This is the single side of the sari, all over embroidery. Very pretty shade. Beautiful color combination and very pretty work. I'll show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece is running with the crochet border. It has a very narrow crochet border. This is the crochet border. Now coming to product number 17. Yes, again silk organza but with hand tie and dye. Color mauvish pink. It's a mauvish pink color with tie and dye, bandhej and mirror work. Can you see the just very light concept of tie and dye with mirror work in between the bandhej, hand tie and dye with mirror work and a narrow crochet border. This is the pallu and shibori blouse piece. Wow, with mirror work shibori blouse piece. Very smart concept. Product number 17, mauvish pink color, 8990. 8990. First come first serve basis. Once the payment is done, we'll courier it to you. Please send the screenshot after payment. Your payment screenshot is important. Please send the screenshot of the payment, and after you make the payment, kindly send your name, address, telephone number, pin code where the product needs to be dispatched. If you are picking up from store, then of course the shipping charges are not required. This is the blouse piece again. Very rich, pretty mirror work shibori blouse piece. I have product number 18 in a peach color also, deep peach. So two colors in this organza tie and dye with shibori mirror work blouse. The body too has mirror work. Very pretty color combination. See, it's a big shibori bandhej prism shape almost in the pallu, and then the body will have very small tiny tie and dye with mirror work. Is it clear, the whole look of the product? And this is the blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece, shibori blouse piece. Very soothing and very smart concept also. Now coming to very fashionable piece, which is digital print chicken curry, 5500. Digital print chicken curry. It has a very pretty blouse piece also. See, this is the blouse piece to go with this. It has self weave silk digital blouse piece, and the sari is again like a dream. All over border work in a grey color with very pretty print in the body in digital florals. And especially this gold zari border, grey color organza with very rich gold, very narrow zari border. It's really looking very pretty. And this is the pallu with the tassel, and here, as I showed you, already showed you the blouse piece to go with it. Digitals, I'll show you quite a few. Digital with chicken curry. This is a butter color almost. All the prints will be different. Very prominent embroidery. This is the blouse piece. Clear, right? Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel to get regular notifications of the videos that I will be sharing in near future. Also, there's the WhatsApp group. We don't have any groups, but WhatsApp status where regular new collections are uploaded, notifications are sent, reviews are customer reviews, customer feedbacks are also uploaded. So you can check out that WhatsApp status, which is updated every day. And also you can check out our Facebook page where the link is also provided. Just check there's in the description part, the link of the Insta link and the WhatsApp link is, the Facebook link is already there. So you can click on the pictures to see the still photos of these products. The still pictures, you can check out the still pictures of these. This is a yellow color, light yellow, again with digital florals. Only 5500. These are only 5500. This is the blouse piece. All digital printed blouse piece in silk. Satin silk is the blouse piece and this is the sari. Lemon color. A little deeper shade of lemon. See the work closely. Now coming to same type with a peach shade. So digitals in a very reasonable range. I've shown you many colors, so please give me options. Product number 225500 with digital florals in between in the whole body, and border will have chikankari work in the border. Yes, this is the blouse piece. Very dreamy. Again, totally new, something really different. Scallop mirror works. With mirror work crepe blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the sleeves. This is the back. The back will also have mirror work. Both the sleeves will have mirror work. Firstly, see the sleeve part. Okay. Now coming to the body part. This is the body. All over border there will be scallop mirror works. Can you see? This is the border. The border will have the running scallop mirror work with all over Buta mirrors also. In off-white color. It's a very fashionable party wear sari. Beautiful shade. These are mainly the colors. This off-white color with this silk blouse, crepe silk, this is the blouse piece. This is the actual color, off-white color. Now this is the sari with all over mirror work and cut work mirror work. This is the border. You just need nothing, wear lots of junk silver jewelry, or if you can also wear gold and silver combination jewelry, or with any contrast stone work like polki will look very nice with this. And also you can wear, you know, absolutely contrast like garnet, a green emerald set, just, or a black onyx set. Very pretty it will look. But sari blouse, definitely go for this only. You can experiment with your jewelry with this. Product number 24, same thing, I have a pink color. So two colors in this mirror work scallop concept, 7200. This is a pink shade. See the mirror work. And these are not the mica ones, these are mirrors only, very flat mirrors. Blouse piece. Beautiful shade. So two colors in this scallop mirror work. Now something again different. All over jal embroidery in off-white. Wow. Again with the peach color and silver zari border embroidery. 8990 only, product number 25. 8990, all over thread work with silver zari. It's a goldenish silver. Basically it's silver, it's not gold at all. And all over shikarga embroidery in flowers and birds. Only one piece, no other color in this. And this is the off-white blouse piece with the piping. Now silver zari, I'll be showing you a few more. That was in jal work. This is in cluster of flowers, peach color. Today's episode will be all in pastels except for the one that I am wearing. This is a cluster of flowers all over peach color with again silver zari border thread work. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day. But sometimes we are releasing episodes on Sundays also, so please keep a watch. You can always check out our status, Facebook, the WhatsApp status, and also Facebook page to check regular notifications. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is 8500 only, all over cluster of flowers, beautiful pastel shade work and so rich in silk organza with zari embroidery border. The whole concept is in work, is an embroidered concept with this crepe chignon blouse piece, body color crepe chignon, little darker shade of course. This is the sari. Okay. Now few more colors in this. I have a neon pink color. Pastel pink but slightly fluorescent, very pretty color. If I am holding it double, you can understand the exact color. Especially, okay, see this part, you can see, because since I have made a mistake of wearing a black today against all the lighter shades, this is the blouse piece. So this is the actual color of the blouse piece and this is the color of the sari. So watch. Check out my pleat part. Yes, check out the pleat part. So this is the exact color. Clear? I hope I can do justice to the products, because even though I'm trying my best to explain the colors, so we are not filtering, but still, since it's against black color, so I'm trying to drape it and show it in double weight so that you can understand the exact color. Now this is what I'm wearing. It's a silk Banarasi organza with all over digital print and embroidery. Now see closely the work. The whole sari is with chicken embroidery and sequins. It has a self chikankari work. Can you see the work? All over. Throughout it will have a self work along with the digital print, and of course a silver zari Banarasi woven border with lovely tassels. Silk blouse in organza with the zari border. It's in a very uncommon shade of green. This is the blouse piece. Oh wow, this is the sari. Product number 28, 10,800. 10,800 silk organza Banarasi with all over digital and all over thread work. Only two colors, the one that I am wearing and the one that I am showing. Same price as my sari. Just once again let me check out the price what I told you, because this is the same price that is for my sari also. I just forgot how much I told you. It's 10,800, the one that I am also wearing. 10,800, this black color, silver zari border, again all over self embroidery. Now here you can see the work. Throughout there will be self embroidery. It has a black running blouse like the previous one. It will have a silver border, and this is the sari. The neck piece that I am wearing, the choker, it has rings. So it's adjustable. It's a beautifully, it's a very smart, uncommon, even with shirts, white shirt you can wear these, in between with anything with a deep neck shirt or westerns also, and of course it has a nice earring also. This peacock stone polki works. Now see the ring, the earring. Yeah. This pair of very cute earring, and this color combination, it goes with a lot of products, lot of saris. The price of this is 2300, 2300. The neck piece with the earring set is 2300. Just check once again the neck piece. 2300 is for the whole set. We have loads of jewelry in store, but I've been trying to do an episode, but somehow it's getting delayed, and single whatever I'm showing you, it's selling off also. So this is the neck piece with the earring set, 2300. This gorgeous stunning bracelet, it's an open, you can say a bala also. It can be adjusted, so you can increase it, you can just put it off like this, and or you can press it if you want it tighter. So it's a polki setting, filigree work, pearl setting, bangle, 2400. 2400 is for the bangle. One bangle is enough, you need nothing. It's a very smart piece, and it's a very uncommon piece. Clear? And the ring that I am wearing, see, 2100 is for the ring, 2100 for the ring, 2150, 2150, 2,150 rupees is for the ring. Just take the screenshot if you're interested. This is also going very well with the earring also, see. 2,150 is for the statement ring. Okay, and the sari price I've already told you, 10,800 for the sari. So that's all for today in organza embroidery. Namaskar.